My favorite kind of music is rock and metal, but I also like techno. Actually, I listen to anything that I think sounds good. I'm less interested in words, it's more about the quality of the music. I play guitar in a hard rock band. We play all sorts of rock and roll and metal. We play the classics, like the Dire Straits and Metallica, and we play our own songs too. There's 5 of us in the band, 2 girls who are professors in the music school and 3 boys. The girls went to the music school, and the boys, well, we taught ourselves, and I like it. We play maybe once or twice a month because we are all too busy. It's really sociable. We have a group chat on our phones, and we talk a lot about everything, but when it's come to playing together, it's hard to find time. We haven't played live yet because we haven't been together for very long. Hopefully, we can do that soon. I used to play concerts in a high school. That was fun. Anyway, our band is called Who Cares? The band actually got the name by accident, in a way. We were playing together for a while, then someone asked for the name of the band, but we haven't thought about a name at all. Then I just said, who cares? Because who cares if you have a name or not? But they thought it was pretty cool, so I texted the band and said, this is our name, Who Cares? And the band liked it. Who Cares is also our drummer's nickname. He's the one who started the band.